Accredited by the American Culinary Federation, Culinary Arts allows you to follow your passion for cooking and experience the world of hospitality. Students are exposed to many different aspects of food production: cooking, baking, hotel restaurant management, food science, and nutrition. Our classroom lab and professional kitchen provide hands-on experience in the day-to-day operation of a restaurant. Our Professional Advisory Council is made up of professional chefs, business owners, and culinary educators at both levels, making certain that our culinary practices are aligned with current industry trends and standards. In Culinary Arts, we give our students the opportunity to experience the food industry from the back of the house. Our daily class operation mirrors that of a successful, busy restaurant, allowing each student to decide what their future holds.